Like this is a transfer case regulator, motor, however you want to call it, for 2007. Uh, take the card. Take by 4 light on the dashboard and the traction control. And usually it's because these gears inside this motor, they usually go bad. So I took the motor off. I'll probably record a video how to take off the motor, but um, I didn't. There's only 4 bolts. It's easy to take out. So anyways, so first thing you want to do, you want to take out these bolts here for the motor. Take these 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts and take this out. I already took the 2 on the bottom out. Okay, right here. It's a, thank you. It's a, what number torque it says? T25 torque. So we take this out. Oh, we got a motor. Disassemble the motor here. Get this out. And then you take a screwdriver and you have to hit it with the hammer here a little bit and pry this out. So you pry this out and this bushing will come out, this cover. Then there's a little ring in here, not ring, over here. Use a plier like this to get that out. So you get that out of there. Okay, and here's the pin. Okay, then you can move this out. Remove this, and I'll show you what the problem is. Right here. See how the gears show up, all the gears. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change just this part here, because that's what usually goes bad. See that? Right there and right here as well. So I'm gonna put a new one in, and that should be it. That should take care of that problem and that light. All right, thank you.